Hey all, thank you all so much for coming out for our 2026 Sounds and Sights Festival. It's so good to see you all again. My name's Lene. I'm going to be your MC for the weekend. I just, at first, want to give a big thank you to a few of our sponsors. We're going to go through those throughout the night and throughout tomorrow. First, our lounge sponsor. I'm sure you've seen it out there, but can I have a round of applause for Devil's Haircut? Also, the Chelsea District Library, they're our main stage sponsor. They're the reason why we are up here today. And our volunteer t-shirt sponsor, those are those spunky ladies over at Farm Suds. I love them. If you haven't been in there, be sure to check them out and have a little party with them. Another thing I want to mention is, who here has ever been to like a Dead show or a Lettuce show or a Billy Strings show or anything like that? Anything like some chill Woodstock environment? They usually have live painters, right? I want to give a shout out to our live painter over here, Ari. They're going to be doing a live painting throughout the entire festival while the music is going on, and I'm really excited for them. All right, everybody, who's ready to take a trip back to the summer of love? We're talking Woodstock, tie-dye, peace signs, bell-bottoms, and some of the greatest music literally ever written. Tonight's band doesn't just play these songs, they bring the spirit, the energy, and the magic of the late 60s back to life. So grab a drink, sing along, and dance like nobody's watching. And let's go back to literally 1969, the best and most questionable year ever. Give a warm welcome, please, to Magic Bus.
The young guys smiling upon the ground. The music being born of love. Children danced on the day. Religion was being born. Down and on the way. And an airplane did fly. Exploded into fire light. You masculine music was black as night. The people there know everybody's mind. Jimi Hendrix immediately set the world on fire. It's not to see John smiled as he moved among the crowd. 10,000 electric guitars are moving real loud. You wanna find a truth in life? Don't pass music by. And I would not lie. right. DJ of understanding, agreeing with one another. Even the cops group another. Do you believe me? Yeah. Monterey, down in Monterey, down in Monterey. Think that maybe I'm dreaming. Monterey, 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 yeah, Monterey. Good evening. Indeed, it was Monterey. It was 1967 to be exact. Thousands of young people had come together to see all their favorite groups of the time and to bring a message to the people that sounded like this. Come on, people now, smile on your brother, everybody get together. Try to love one another right now. Yeah, come on, clap your hands with it. Come on, you now, smile on your brother, everybody get together. Try to love one another right now. Yours is one song to sing, feels the way we're down. You can make the mountains sing, or make the angels rise. The birds on the way, and you may not know why. Let you know this part, come on, sing along. Come on, you know, smile on your brother, everybody get together. Try to love one another right now. Some may come, some may go. We surely pay. When the morning comes in, we turn up our lane. We are but a moment's sunlight, fading away. Come on, you now, smile everybody get together, try to love one another right If you hear someone sing, you will understand. You're the key to love, only your tragedy. Just one key on that stand, you said you're let's sing it one more time together. What do you say? Come on now, my brother, everybody get together. Now love one another right now. Come on now, my brother, everybody get together. Now love one another right now. I said. Thank you. Indeed, that was the message of the day. Not only here in the States, but across the Atlantic Ocean. We hear a very similar message in 1967 coming through the music like this next one by the Zombies. It's the time of the season, and love runs high in this time. Too easy. Let me try with measured hand. Tell you that it's something from our smile. Show you everyone it's the night of the season for loving. What you need, what you gotta do. Daddy, rich like me, as he take time, and I shall show you what need you will. Tell you know they tell you why I feel on love. It's a time of the season for loving. Put